Retired Supreme Court Justice Antonio Carpio says funds from PhilHealth and the Philippine Deposit Insurance Corporation were diverted to the construction of flood control projects. He says this violates the 1987 Constitution. A provision in the 2024 General Appropriations Act allows excess funds from government-owned or controlled corporations to be transferred to the Bureau of the Treasury. This is to fund unprogrammed appropriations, which include flood control projects. Carpio says such a provision is not included in any previous GAAs, which are the yearly national budget laws. PhilHealth and PDIC remitted 60 billion pesos and 107 billion pesos respectively of their funds in compliance with the directive. Carpio calls the provision unconstitutional, saying PhilHealth and PDIC funds are trust funds that cannot be used for any other purpose. The retired justice says the mastermind of the scheme should be tracked down and public officials behind it should be held accountable.